Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to sign up and access the Canva AI image generator, Canva's powerful tool that lets you turn text into stunning images instantly. If you're brand new to Canva or AI design, this tutorial will get you started in less than 5 minutes. Let's jump right in. Step 1, go to canva.com. Screen capture showing the Canva homepage. First, open your browser and go to canva.com. You can use Canva on any device, desktop, laptop, tablet, or even mobile. Once you're here, you'll see the main homepage with a purple sign up button at the top right. Step 2, create your free Canva account. Show the sign up screen. Click sign up. You can register using your Google account, Apple ID, or email address. I recommend using Google for quick access. It keeps everything synced automatically. Canva offers both free and pro versions, but don't worry, the AI image generator works perfectly fine on the free plan with some usage limits. Step 3, access the Canva AI image generator. Show the Canva dashboard, then the AI tool. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Canva dashboard. To find the AI image generator, click on the Apps tab on the left-hand side of the screen. Then, type in AI image generator in the search bar, and click on it when it appears. You can also find it directly by going to www.canva.com/imagegenerator. Click Use in a design, and Canva will open up a blank canvas where you can type your prompt. Step 4, try a quick test prompt. Show typing and generating an image. Let's test it out. In the prompt box, type something like a futuristic city skyline at sunset in cinematic style. Then click Generate Image. Canva will take a few seconds to process your prompt and show 4 image options. You can click any image to insert it into your design or hit Generate again for more variations. And that's it. You've officially signed up for Canva and accessed the AI image generator. In the next tutorial, I'll show you how to write your first effective AI prompt that actually gives you the results you want. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to catch that video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.